Welcome to our channel. Easy setup guide for Dbit Wi-Fi Repeater System. Unbox. First, open the Dbit repeater box and take out the device, antennas, if included, power adapter, and user manual. Plug the Dbit repeater directly into a power socket and wait for the power light to turn on. Wait for the signal light to start blinking. This means the device is ready for setup. Connect Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, connect to the Dbit repeater's default Wi-Fi network. SSID is usually written on the device. Open Setup page. Open your browser and type 192.168.10.1 into the address bar. This will open the Dbit setup page. Login. On the login screen, enter the default username and password, mostly both are admin. Check the back of the device for confirmation. Scan networks. In the dashboard, click on Repeater Mode or Wi-Fi Repeater to start scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose Network. Select your home Wi-Fi or hotspot name from the list that you want to extend. Enter password. After selecting, enter the Wi-Fi password and click on Apply or Save. Reboot done. The device will reboot in a few seconds, and after that, your Dbit repeater will begin extending the Wi-Fi signal. Thank you for watching.